Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect visitor based on time zone in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to add custom code. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin, so click on add new plugin and then in add plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So we are going to redirect customer based on time zone to different page or custom URL. Now scroll down, you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select JavaScript and then we are going to paste code, and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our script code and then you see variable page 1, so you can add custom URL link according to requirement, and then you see page 2 and then we are going to fetch API. Now you see IP info IO JSON and then we are going to get time zone of visitor. Now you see data.timezone. Our time zone is Asia Karachi. So when we visit our website from our time zone, then redirect to page 1 and then you see time zone else if condition America Los Angeles. So when visitor come from these location, then redirect to page 2 google.com. So you can add custom URL according to requirement and you can add time zone according to requirement. So now we are going to open this link ipinfo.io JSON. So this is our link and then you see all detail, IP address, host name, city, region, country, location and then you see postal, time zone, and in time zone you see America Los Angeles. So we added this in custom code. Back to code. If you want you can add more, then copy else if and then paste and then change page 2 to page 3 and you can add time zone according to requirement, and then scroll up, you see page 1, page 2. Now copy page 2 and then you can add your custom URL, and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location site wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So our time zone is Asia Karachi. Now open website. So we are going to open it and then you see our website redirect to this website because our time zone is Asia Karachi. Again open website again. Now first open our website and then redirect to another website we added in custom code. Back to code. So in code you can add your URL, time zone. If you want you can copy else if condition and then you can add more time zone. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.